Welcome back to the channel. So we're back on the old green Beast, or Beast 2.0. So we've given the engine a service now, new oil in it. We have given her a new oil, and what else have I done? Oh yeah, got the harness. So doing a bit of cosmetic stuff now. So I'm going to put a sheet of tin, because it's got some speed holes. Just going to put a bit of tin straight across the front to just tidy that up. So I'll just do it out of this bit of sheet here, and I'll cut her up and put her on, and I'll show you how it looks. So repaired the front. Look at that beautiful texture as far as the eyes can see. Can't see it now, so we might give the bonnet a bit of a paint. Yep. So the bonnet's got a bit of a lick of paint, just nothing flash, just to cover up some of the I don't know, green, and the front bit's not so noticeable, but I'm sure we'll hit something and that'll get buffed up. So all we would have to do at the moment is to put some toe stickers on, some battery location stickers, got a battery clamp and some wiper blades. So what we have here is we've got the old universal battery clamp, got some stickers and some wiper blades. So we'll chuck them on and then we'll see what we've got left on the list. Alright, so it's test and tune day. We'll just add this onto the last video. As you've seen, we got the toe points, glasses taped up, got the old custom battery clamp, and you know all the rest of it. So she's all ready. We're going to chuck her on the trailer, and the next video will be the first test and tune of 2022 at the Southwest Touring Car Club, so the autocross club back at the Speedway. So if you're there, you're there. We'll do some video of that. Like, share and subscribe, and chat to you on the next one.